This video was built to provide quick reference to navigation shortcut keys. Hit the hyperlinks in the press column of this panel to view specific video segments. Single cell movement using arrow keys. Up, down, right, left. Move to end of data using Ctrl plus arrow keys. Move to beginning of current row using the Home key. Move to the beginning of the worksheet using the Ctrl plus Home keys. Move to the end of the worksheet using the Ctrl plus End keys. Move down one screen using the Page Down key. Move up one screen using the Page Up key. Move right one screen using the Alternate plus Page Down key. Move left one screen using the Alternate plus Page Up key. Move to the next worksheet using the Ctrl plus Page Down keys. Move to the previous worksheet using the Ctrl plus Page Up keys. Move to a specific location using the Ctrl plus G keys, typing an address, then clicking OK.